Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut milk tofu quiche with onions and mushrooms. This dish is a wonderful combination of natural flavors, and it's great for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To make the crust, combine 2½ cups almond flour, 1/4 cup water, 1½ tablespoons of fresh rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until thoroughly combined. The dough should be wet and crumbly. Gently press the dough evenly against the bottom and sides of the pie pan. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees. Sauté 2½ cups of cremini mushrooms and 1 large yellow onion in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar until the onions have caramelized, about 10 to 15 minutes. Slice 2 packages of silken firm tofu and rest them on towels to release the moisture. In a blender or food processor, combine 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 3 teaspoons of your favorite herbs, and 1½ teaspoon salt. And then add the tofu and blend till smooth. Combine the sautéed onions and mushrooms with the tofu mixture and then pour into the pie crust and bake for about 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Because this dish uses tofu instead of eggs, it's entirely free of cholesterol.